How to remove activate Windows, watermark in Windows 10. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can you remove this watermark from your computer screen without activating your Windows. No worries, whether you are using Windows 10 or 11, you can do the same in both. Also, this will be a short, easy, and to the point tutorial, so just remember the channel name Hascree and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, go to the search bar and type CMD, then tap on Run as Administrator. It will ask for some permissions. Press yes, and this window will be opened. Now see carefully, because this is the most crucial part of the video. Here type BCDEDIT, then space hyphen, SET, then we will type in capital letters, TESTS, IG and ING, OFF collectively, BC dead it set signing off, and press enter. Then here you will see that the operation completed successfully. Now restart your system and it will be removed from your screen. But note one thing, that we just removed watermark, but our window is non-active. So if you want to activate Windows, then drop a comment below. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.